But I just think we do need to know the specifics. That
yes, the specifics.
Us and then subsequently.
What about in cases of incest and rape?
Yeah, again, look, in terms of they're not that simple in terms of issues, but again...
No, but if someone is raped by... Issues, just to be clear, if someone is raped by their father, for example, and becomes pregnant as a result, what's your view on abortion in that case?
Well, it's not that simple, Shane.
Well, you can't be, with respect... Someone's either pregnant or not pregnant.
Sorry?
Someone's either pregnant or not pregnant.
They are indeed.
So it's not that complex.
Well, it actually is in terms of are you talking about within 10 weeks? Are you talking about within 20 weeks, for example?
I'm talking about a father raping his daughter.
But it's not that simple. It's just not that simple in terms of...
And she becomes pregnant as a result. You don't see that as a simple yes or no?
Well, I don't, actually. It's not a simple yes or no. That depends on a number of issues.
Would there be any circumstance where a father rapes his daughter... Yes, go on.
Sean, Shane. I know people today who are alive... whose mothers would have been, in one particular case, was raped, and she was the outcome of that. And she gets very angry when people suggest that she should never have had a life. So this is not simple.